Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session of vocabulary day. The first one is obliterated. That means completely destroyed, erased or wiped out. Obliterated. Momentous. That means very important or significant, or you can say very significant or important. Then we have fictitious. That means fictional, imaginary or not real. The next one is like insurmountable. That means impossible or extremely difficult to overcome. Impossible or extremely difficult to overcome. Next is recalcitrance. Okay, that means recalcitrance. That means stubborn resistance. Stubborn resistance to authority, rules, or controls. Assertive. Confident, you can say expressing your opinions, needs, or rights clearly and confidently without being aggressive. Jocular. That means humorous, playful, or fond of joking. He's quite fond of joking. Jocular guy. Next is gregarious, means social and enjoying the company of other people. Hypothetical, that means imagined or suggested as a possibility rather than proven or reality. And the final one for the day is invincible. That means impossible to defeat, overcome, or destroy. Thank you guys for today's session. We'll see you in the next session. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.